Tonight is a snow night. So this is the epic snowstorm that everyone was going on about. And honestly, I'm not disappointed. Cause I love winter and I love snow days. And I always will. I'll never hate winter. I mean, hey, I just hope it doesn't turn into a full-on whiteout. Now that would be really terrifying. And by the way, guys, we're having cheese steaks for dinner. They look so good, oh my gosh. We got Summer over here just chilling and vibing. Hey, Summer, you wanna say hello to the camera? Say hello. Say hi, Summer. Margie. He's gonna step in this. What? He's gonna step in what? I'm gonna just step in here before I start hissing at each other. Oh, yeah. Summer and Marty do fight a lot, guys. Like, well, they don't fight. Summer just hisses at him. Yeah. Needless to say, Summer doesn't like him, but they tolerate each other, at least. Marty is big and fluffy. Yeah, he is. Marty! Can you do that cute thing? Aww. He really loves my camera, you guys. Oh, look at him. Do it again. Oh, he did it again. He's so sweet. He's so Marty. Yeah. He's just Marty. He's just his own. We also got like these curtains recently to keep the cold from coming in. And they're actually pretty effective. And for keeping the sun out of my eyes when I sit down. Good news is my tattoo is healing up more. But I heard it takes like 6 months for a tattoo to fully heal, so I'm not completely out of the woods yet. Most excellent! I'm going out there. Ooh, here I go. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's like ice under there. Look at it, it looks so much. I never knew how pretty snow could be in the nighttime until I went out here. I better not trip over anything. And it's still snowing, I feel. I'm gonna go out the driveway. It must be beautiful where the driveway is. Ooh, ooh. Almost tripped and fell. Dang, no. The driveway is completely covered. Bro, look at the trees. Look at the stars in the sky, even though y'all probably can't see them. Okay, I'm gonna be very careful not to trip over anything here. Look at that! Look at how beautiful these are! Look at how beautiful this is. Just everything out here in general is just beautiful. Beautiful, y'all. Okay, I'm done. That was fun. Alright guys, that was beautiful. The way that the light was reflecting off the snow, that was so beautiful, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Well, it's officially the next day, and look at all the snow, y'all. The snow hasn't left. I can tell that there's some tracks in the snow, so I presume that deer were here. I did see one last night and it scared the crap out of me. I thought it was like an unknown creature or something. But yeah, this is probably gonna be a short vlog for this day. This vlog might go on for a couple of days, I'm not sure, because my stomach is pretty upset right now. But hey, at least I have this little camera to keep me entertained all day. Now I'm making myself dizzy. Oh. So yeah, that's my day. Me and Faith are home alone. Our mom is at work. We have no one to talk to. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys. What's up? Now I'm just gonna sit here and watch TV. Hopefully this upset stomach will go away. Leave me the frick alone! So yeah, I'll just see you when I see you. Okay guys, so my mom just got home and we're all going to the store right now. And of course I have to vlog it, right? See you there. Almost forgot we have to take the trash down and... honestly, it's super slick. Are you sure this is a good idea? Yes. I don't want you to fall and bust on your face, girl. I mean, look at this. How can we take the trash down in this weather? Wish us luck, guys, and see you at the store, hopefully. Well, I did it. I survived. Hey! My mom just threw a snowball at me. Guys, we're seeing deer tracks, bird tracks, and raccoon tracks all over the place. The animals must love it here. I don't know why. That was scary, but we made it. I love Sam's. They always have the best food selections and the best categories. Like, look at all the meat. And that over there, and this over here, and that, and this. I just love it. Better than Walmart. Guys, you won't believe, like, they weren't kidding about the bread, were they? Well, at least there's some over here. Look at all the bread over here, y'all. But it's empty. Oh. Look at this. Bro, it's just a snowstorm, people. It's not the end of the world. Gosh. Heart-shaped cookies, y'all. Valentine's Day edition. Today we're going to McDonald's. Nice to go on a little shopping spree every now and then. We were gonna get the pizza from the cafe at Sam's, but they ran out. They ran out of pizza. So we just decided, hey, let's get McDonald's. And that's what we did. Not a bad food choice. This looks really good. Well, it's time to do something that I never done ever since I got this tattoo. Practice my guitar. Oh, my fingers hurt. I'm so horrible. I suck. How was that, y'all? I know what you guys are gonna say. You're gonna be like, Hope sucks! But I know, it's a learning curve. And if I want to get good at something, I might as well keep practicing. And that's what I'm gonna do. Got this hoodie in Greece while I was on my cruise vacation. If you haven't watched the video series, then go check it out. Hey, what's up? How you doing? What's up? Woo! Oh, I'm so cutesy and demure with my tiny hands. Oh, let me touch you. I am planning your demise with my tiny hands. I dare myself to legit go to a restaurant and order something with these. Just say like, yo, can I get a McDouble and a McCrispy wrap to go, please? What? Please, that would make me very happy. I'm doing stuff with my tiny hands. Okay. Faith is over here laughing at me. My entertainment. The little things I'll do to entertain myself. Would you like some perfume? I got it on sale. Doing stuff with these things is hard. I am going to actually be doing a tiny hands challenge with Faith, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do that thing that Taylor did. 6, 7. This is so cool. I'm having so much fun. Whoop. My real hands are back. I don't care if this is embarrassing. I love it. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. It's okay. Just calm down. And everything will be fine. Right? Right? Toss, toss. Wicked reference. I salute you. These hands really do look like they're giving off a salute, aren't they? Like, you can just be like, I'm not sure if I did it right or not. But hey, my mom was in the military, so she could tell me. I got this incense burner not too long ago, and while in Ohio, I got new incense cones for it. Because the ones I had before were crap. Like, they didn't even smell good either. Like, the lavender one didn't even smell like lavender. It just smelled like pure smoke. What you would smell from a campfire, it smelled exactly like that. I'm going to find them. It's my mission. Well, I didn't find them, but I did find my Wicked shirt that I got. Ta-da! And there's also a back. Ta-da! So guys, I have to admit, I'm one of those slime collectors. But I don't make slime because I don't have the proper ingredients. So I just buy store-bought slimes and make them better, or at least try to. I got this slime from Five Below, put kinetic sand in it, and turned it purple. It's really tough. I had it for quite a while. It doesn't make bubble pops anymore. Maybe it'll loosen as I play with it. This is the container that it comes in. This is another slime that I got from Walmart. Look at the cute little thingy on top. It's supposed to be like a cloud slime. It's blueberry scented. Doesn't smell like blueberries anymore because I tried to put lotion in it to make it softer. It's so smooth and stretchable, unlike the other slimes that I have. And this one is supposed to be like banana cream pie, but it got really tough and I had to put a lot of lotion in it. Oh man, it got tough again? I thought I fixed it. I think I'm gonna throw this one away. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw it away. Get in there, sucker. Get in there. This one I got from Five Below also. It was like a pink sand slime, but I messed it up and I threw it away. So I decided to bejewel the container, or bedazzle it, to make it all pretty. And I made a new slime. It's... What the heck? What the heck? Ew! What happened to it? What the heck is this? Yeah, I think it's time to say goodbye to this one too. But I'm gonna keep the container. What the heck? Maybe it was all the green kinetic sand I put in it. And of course, you can never forget the Squishmallow slime, now can ya? You guys must remember me talking about this slime in a previous video. Here it is. Still going strong. Not as stretchy and poppable anymore, but still going strong. This is the best slime by far, no doubt about that. It still has some pops. These three are by far the best slimes I have. I'm definitely gonna keep all these. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the snow day as much as I have. Or snow night, since I mostly gone outside at night and not in the day. But still, it was a lot of fun. So, I'll see y'all in the next video.